Hello. Come in, please, and have a seat.
Thank you.
Can I have your passport, please?
Yes, there you go.
Thanks. And may I have your full name, please?
My name is Narges Bazigar, but everybody calls me Amine. It's been my nickname since I was born.
Does your name have any special meaning?
Well, yes, the name Narges is a flower. It's in actual fact a daffodil.
All right. And who gave this nickname to you?
Well, it's an interesting story because at the time that I was born, there was a very popular song, a pop song, by the name of Amine. And my older siblings, who were children at the time, decided there and then that this should be my name. But my parents didn't agree.
All right, Amine. Is your name important to you?
Well, yes, I think everybody's name is important to them. It's the one thing that you fully associate yourself with.
Okay, thanks, Amine. And tell me, where do you come from?
Well, I come from Tehran, which is the capital of Iran. Tehran is a bustling city with a very large population of, I think, about 17 million people. It's a very busy and polluted city, but at the same time, it's very charming and you can meet people from all sorts of backgrounds.
All right, Amine. What do you like about your hometown?
Well, like I said, I like the fact that you can meet people from all sorts of backgrounds. My hometown, Tehran, has beautiful mountains in the north. It's very vibrant. You can almost find something interesting in every neighborhood. There's lots of activity going on during the day, which makes it very interesting as a city.
Okay, Amine, tell me, what do most of the people do in your hometown?
Well, as Tehran is the capital, there's a variety of vocations and activities going on during the day. Obviously, it's the base of a country, so you have businessmen, you have lots of shops, you have many ministries, many schools. All in all, there's a variety of jobs and activities going on.
Okay, thanks, Amine. Now let's move on to the second part. I would like to show you a topic card, and you have to talk about this topic for about 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to prepare yourself. Here is a paper and a pencil. You can write down your notes if you wish.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Amine, now you must start talking, please.
Well, in relation to success, I have to say that I consider my education by far my most important success. This is due to the fact that while I was in university, I did meet my husband and I am married, so that was before I finished my degree. Since then, even though I have started a family, I've managed to obtain a degree with an honors and subsequently was accepted on a postgraduate program, which was actually quite difficult to get into. I think the main people who contributed to my success must have been my immediate family. My parents were very supportive in all my decisions, and also my spouse gave me all the support that I could possibly need from a husband. I have to say that the most important factor was my own self-determination, my self-discipline, time management, and also uncompromising goals that I set for myself. Little goals, but nonetheless goals that made me reach where I am now. It's very important, in my opinion, to feel successful in an area that you choose. In my case, it was education. Of course, this success has opened many doors for me and will, of course, open many more. For instance, I know that I will be financially independent. I know that I will have a sense of achievement that is probably not comparable to much else.
Thanks, Amane. Now I would like to ask you a few more questions related to the same topic. How important is goal setting in your life?
This is extremely important. If you don't set goals, reachable, feasible goals, then you may as well just stop doing what you're doing. If you don't set these goals, then you lose track of what you've been up to and what else needs to be done. This leads to really destructive disorganization. And at the end of the day, you probably will end up without enough time, sufficient time to reach what you set out to reach. That's why self-discipline in keeping within your time frame for these goals and working hard to reaching them really does make a difference.
Tell me, Amane, do you consider yourself a real success?
That's a difficult question to answer because I might not be the biggest success compared to other people, but for me personally, yes. My personal opinion of myself, with the circumstances that I had, I do consider myself quite a success. Because after all, I did manage to divide my time fairly between my studies and the pursuit of my education and my family. I don't think I compromised my family in order to reach my educational goals, so therefore, yes, I do consider myself a success.
Okay, thanks. And do you think having an organized program can lead to people's success?
Well, I think it's of the utmost importance, actually. I think that not having an organized program or schedule will almost certainly result in the shortage of time. It's specifically important for short-term goals as time is of the essence. A schedule is also necessary for long-term goals because it's human nature to put things off till later or, procrastinate, and you end up running out of time without even realizing it. So having a schedule will help you keep track of it.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. That is the end of the speaking test.
Thank you very much.